Hello students, topic for today's lecture is significance of globalization, that why globalization is important. We live in the age of globalization and free market economics. Globalization refers to the integration of the economic activities across the borders. Technologically and intellectual innovation has been the driving force behind the globalization. It has reduced the cost of transportation and communication, thereby propelling profitable economic activity over large distances. The process of globalization has impacted every sphere of the life in the modern society, and the legal arena is no exception. Globalization has been an inherent part of the human journey. Humankind's ability to navigate the seas has facilitated the birth of global empires, movement of people, and the expansion in the commerce since ages. And the Industrial Revolution has only accelerated the process, while the steam locomotive, steamship, and the telegraph drove the globalization of the late 19th and the early 20th century. The jet aircraft, internet, and mobile phones are fulfilling the globalization of today. The globalization impacts the legal field in manifold ways. It boosts international trade and commerce by facilitating the easy movement of capital, labor, goods, and services across the national borders, thus driving the economic growth and the need for the trained legal professionals. Globalization demands a new kind of legal practitioner. The new age lawyer, whether they may be corporate lawyer or a criminal defense attorney, should be an industry expert or an authority on the law as specified domains such as product finance, M&As, and arbitrations are the most industry specific and less about local regulations. Industry experts are increasingly driving transactions and reducing the local non-specialist lawyers to supporting and the advisory roles. The legal professionals who work for global clients must be able to contest and compete them on equal terms. As a result, globalization is changing the dynamics of the legal business. A decade ago, globalization law firms setting up a new shot in the new era would only take on the international work of local companies. But today, the same global firms are competing with the domestic law firms for local work, as the local law firms are unable to contest on equal terms. As a result, the neighborhood law firms are gradually losing ground to their counterparts. I hope the concept must be clear. Thank you.